And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
It is 6:43 on this Friday morning, and we're looking outside of McAllen courtesy of Sky 5. You see that there's a few clouds overhead. There's a little bit of haze in the air. It's not too thick at this particular view, but there could be a little bit more patchy fog for you to deal with if you're headed out and about. We'll talk more about the traffic in a second. Let's go back and look at the map for our latest visibility check here within the fog. 3 to 4 miles from McAllen going into Weslaco down the I-69E corridor. 6 miles visibility from Raymondville into Harlingen and pretty clear elsewhere. There could still be more fog that will redevelop this morning until about 8 or 9 o'clock, and then everything will clear out. Well, we will have a bit of clouds overhead, so just expect a mix of sun and clouds today. Taking a look at the next 12 hours for the Upper Valley, everyone west of Weslaco. We'll start out the day in the mid to lower 60s, and then we'll go up to around 82 degrees by about noon today. There could be a few passing showers, so don't be surprised if you see sprinkles on your windshield. They will be isolated and light in activity. And by 4:30 this afternoon, we're back to around 83 degrees, and then 78 later on this evening around 6:30. So here's the next 12 hours for the Lower Valley. Everyone east of Weslaco will stay in the upper 60s and low 70s this morning. Headed up to 80 degrees by noon. You'll stay closer to the lower 80s and even the upper 70s along the coast this afternoon. Then we're back to 73 for about 6:30 later on this evening. And you could see a few isolated showers as well. High temperatures look a lot like this. City by city, South Padre Island, you'll be at 79 degrees today to 83 in Brownsville, Harlingen, Raymondville, and in Weslaco. 86 when you get into McAllen and Rio Grande City to 85 this afternoon in Edinburgh. Not a bad day. This is the cold front. It's situated about halfway through the state. Not a whole lot of rain associated with the front, but again, we could see those isolated showers from time to time. Right now, the Doppler Network showing just a little bit of light rain moving north and west into southern Cameron County. Doesn't look like it has a whole lot of moderate rain at any point in time during the daytime. So we're looking at Futuretrack, and it shows these spotty showers. Again, this is around 11 o'clock this morning, and a lot of the activity is expected to be over the mid and even lower valley, but I can't say that for sure that there won't be a spotty shower that will move up into the upper valley as well. So don't be surprised if you do see some sprinkles. But again, this is all light rain, really nothing heavy. A lot of the heavy stuff will stay over the open Gulf waters, and as it gets closer to land, it basically will just fall apart. So really nothing widespread to speak of. Overnight, a few more passing showers are possible, cloudy skies otherwise. The cold front that is headed our way, well, that'll arrive later on tonight, and it'll pass by early tomorrow morning. We can't say that there won't be any light rain showers as that front passes us by. So behind that front, maybe a few light rain showers to start the day tomorrow. But then by the end of the weekend and early next week, it'll be hot and breezy. And that's all ahead of the second cold front, which I'll show you in just a few seconds. Here's a look at our coastal forecast for today. East-northeast winds at 7 to 12 knots with a light chop on the bay. Seas will range between 1 and 3 feet. There will be spotty showers and an elevated rip current risk. Here's your First Warn 5 7-day forecast. 83 degrees is your forecast high today. And again, if you're in the upper valley, it will be a few degrees warmer than that. The coast will stay in the upper 70s. 64 is your overnight low, and then we're back to 78 degrees. So a nice little brief cool down, because by Sunday we're up to 85. A little bit hotter, a little bit breezier on Monday. We're 89 degrees with plenty of sunshine ahead of the next cold front. It'll pass by, not bringing any rain. It'll be a lot less humid for Tuesday, though, and it'll be right around 81. And then the cooler weather settles in. It'll be 69 by midweek, breezy and cool with plenty of sunshine, and still a lot of sunshine for Thursday with high temperatures right around 74. Your overnight lows will linger in the mid to upper 60s until about Monday night. That's when we drop into the upper 50s and eventually the lower 50s to end the 7-day forecast period. That's your updated First Warn.